Check out this 2010 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. This highly desirable certified pre-owned vehicle has passed a rigorous inspection just to quality for the CPO program. This is a CARFAX Certified one-owner vehicle. CARFAX for this vehicle shows to be free of issues. Very responsive and a joy to drive with great styling and the high-tech gadgets for a low cost of ownership. Can you say loaded? This pristine vehicle has every single option I can think of, and it is in awesome condition. No car on the road demands as much respect as this Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $27,480. Contact the dealership today at 888-488-6513.